mga pinuntahan namin. Winter kasi, guys. Everyone, Norman Marquez daw. Sabi ni Doc Isa, who is an OB, safe naman daw si Sergeant Arms sa pregnant. Wala naman siyang contraindications, guys. Pero best to check with your OB. Siyempre, di naman ni doctor. Bakit gusto niya ng white base na blush? Hindi naman pang Korean yung skin tone natin. Ten daw talaga si first base o gamit niya kahit sa Qatar. Lumalamig ba sa Qatar or constantly mainit lang siya? I'm curious. Nahirapan nakawakan po pa. Yung hotdog ko na disassemble siya. May season din, winter. So, malamig. How did you segment your target market? Sorry, what does that mean? How did we find out? How did we pinpoint, determine? You mean? Honestly, for Colorette, we got to know our target market. Kasi, when I started Colorette in 2015, I didn't even know who I was selling to. I just figured out everything along the way. Until such time, we figured out na parang, oh, okay, so with the products we came out with, it was the millennials and Gen Zs who were buying it. Before millennials pa nga, because the Gen Zs were so young. Wala mo na akong business plan na nag-start ang Colorette. Welcome. Gusto ko ng lip liner. Ano bang hinahanap ko sa lip liner? Because I wanna develop a lip liner. Pero baka pang mga next year na to eh. Muntik na ako umuwi para sa go si Miss Nina. Next year. Pwede pa next year. Next year na lang ikaw pumunta ng Gucci. Ano pa niluto mo?
Lumpia.
Alam mo anong gusto ko? Buko juice.
Ano?
Buko juice.
Buko juice? Ano nga ng buko juice na?
Gusto ko ng buko juice.
Bukas na lang bibili kita. Araw-araw may dadadaan ka.
Wala, bawal akong hotdog. Ayoko na. Ba't po wala nang pinong dito? Baka ubos na po. Okay lang pumunta ng Gosi kahit na hindi influencer. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging influencer para pumunta ng Gosi. It's open to everyone. Kailangan mo lang mag-register. Sabi ni Rain, oh, guys, join Gosi next year kasi it's super fun. We really do that for you guys. So, honestly, at first, we do it because we want to have you guys as models for our campaigns nga. And then through the years, parang naging community event na rin talaga siya. What's my acne scar treatment? I do lasers, but I haven't been doing lasers lately eh. Dabi daw new friends ni Rain dahil sa Gosi. Upo nga ako dun sa may ilaw at na ako'y nahihirapan. Aray. Ay, gulat ko naman sa'yo. Doon tayo sa may ilaw. Ay, gusto ko mag-color drip. Wait. Mag-color drip tayo. Love mo ako? Get mo ako water.
That sounds familiar.
Unahan by one take on color tint dati pagpatak ng 12 a.m. Yeah, those days during the pandemic. As in, ubos na ubos yung warehouse namin kahit si Dion out of stock. Dion is like a neon orange shade.
At kami ubos na ubos ang lakas.
Second bottle na ako ng Laia. During summer, yung shade ko Laia siya. My shade right now sa first base is Siargao. And then, my concealer that I use also is Siargao. Kasi wala akong Lazi na concealer. Kukuha nga ako ng Lazi ko na concealer. Dalan mo nga ako Lazi na concealer.
Sige. Ilan?
Isa lang. Do you pay yourself? Yes, I only get the salary. What's lighter than Sulu? Anda. Or Palawi. Sana po mag-develop po kayo ng primer. Yeah, we did. We did. How to use first base and second base? Literal ba, Miss Tina, na first and second? Yes, correct. So, unahin mo si first base and then pangalawa si second base. So, si first base is pang buong muka and then si second base will be on, like, on your under eye, on your acne scars, acne spots, yung mga gusto mo lang takpan. Hindi siya pang buong face. Welcome! Masyado bang light yung Donsol? If Siargao talaga yung ginagamit ko, yeah. I would say yes. I think it can still work. Pero it can be... Di ko alam eh. Depende sa skin tone mo kasi yun eh. How to know our shade for skin tints? Guys, honestly, you have 3 ways. Number 1 is we have a filter. Number 2, we made a shade matrix for you. So, kung gumagamit ka na ng ibang brands like EC, BLK, Maybelline, L'Oreal, kung ginagamit mo yung mga brands na yan,
sinabi na namin ano yung shade mo doon. Based sa kung anong shade mo sa ibang brand. Pumunta kayo sa page ni Colorette, nakapin yun. Tapos, pangatlo is, ano yung pangatlo? We have a shade chart. So, kung alam mo yung skin tone mo and yung undertone mo, hanapin mo lang siya doon. Hi po, sa susunod po ba, hindi na 199 yung mini first base? Well, 199 naman siya forever. Hindi nga namin siya sinesale. So, pag nakikita nyo naka-sale siya, hindi kami nag-discount nun. Parang subsidy ni TikTok yun. Magkakaroon po ba kayo ng fair olive sa first base? When we see the demand for it, kasi for the Go-See, we did like almost 1,000 people, pero wala namang fair olive. Kasi the Go-See for us is also a way to collect data and collect insights sa shade range namin. Wala kaming nag-gather na kailangan ng fair olive. Fair olive ka ba? What's my advice sa mga gusto na mag-start mag-gym pero hindi alam ang gagawin and nahihiya? Well, number one, huwag ka mahiya kasi yung mga tao sa gym, wala silang paki sa'yo. Like, everyone in the gym is there to mind their own business. And kung nandun sila para makialam sa ginagawa ng iba, then they're not supposed to be in the gym at sila dapat mahiya. Number two, kung hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo, you can get an online trainer. Mas mura yon. The online trainer will give you workouts to do para masundan mo siya. Or number two, ang daming tao sa gym na nag-YouTube habang nag-gym. That's also okay. Just start. Yun yung advice ko. Mag-start ka lang. Start somewhere. Whether it's you're gonna walk on the treadmill, fine. Walk on the treadmill for 30 minutes and go home. At least nag-start ka, diba? And then tomorrow, do something else. Or do it for a longer period of time. Tama siya. Sabi niya, ano yun? Everyone in the gym is nahihiya also. That's true. Wala po kaming resellers, Arima. Ang cute ng C2 video with the kids. Favorite kasi nila yung C2. Tapos nung nakita namin, sabi ko, ay guys, gawin natin. Tapos nagpamili kami ng C2. Ang init. Ano oras na? Tanongin ko na. Guys, ano oras na guys?
Libin na pala.
11:12. Thank you. Nag-iba lang ang shade description ni First Base, guys, pero hindi nag-iba ang color. Namiss kita masyado kang busy. Kaka-travel, lalo kang gumanda. Ay, thank you naman. Any thoughts about malaki yung age gap nyo ng partner mo? Okay lang yung may age gap, pero sabi nga nila, kung malaki yung age gap nyo na, say for example, the guy, I guess there are some rare cases that it works, right? Pero sabi nila, kapag yung guy always goes for like younger women, magtaka ka na why women their age don't want them. Diba? Like, ask yourself, how come? Kunyari, 50 na siya, and then yung mga girlfriend niya is like 20s, right? Like Leonardo DiCaprio. So what must be wrong with him, right? Para women his age don't like him. Diba? Pero I guess there should be some rare cases wherein mabait talaga yung guy. I don't know. O baka nag-focus siya sa career niya. Pero ba't younger? Ba't naman 20s? Pag nasa 20s, parang wrong yun, di ba? 50 and then 20, parang wrong. I don't know. That's just me. Binabash kasi si Miss Jana ngayon. Bakit? Bakit? I feel like si Jana, she deserves all the love in the world. Di ba? Parang she's taking such good care of Alonzo. Ba't naman siya binabash? And parang her jowa doesn't even look that old naman, di ba? For me, wrong yung parang 50 tapos 20. Ganon. Wrong yun. Diba? Yun yung weird. Pero if like, the age gap is 40 and 30, ganon, parang, that's normal naman. For me, at least. We have a brown shade now, color drip in fudge. Binibenta namin si Colorette sponge, pero wala na bang sponge?
Meron. Kakapak ko lang nga ng isa kaninang auto.
Meron, guys.
Meron, dami. 20,000 yun. Busin yun na. Bagong dating yun. Hot na hot.
199 lang yata yun eh.
I'm not so sure of the price.
It's really nice. Like, before gamit ko Beauty Blender and then Real Techniques. Tapos ngayon, Colorette sponge na lang ginagamit ko, guys. I like it. Tapos hindi pa dumihin yung color. Miss Nina, I love your mascara. Saktong-sakto for 3-3. Magiging buy one, take one, guys, si Lash Love. At saka si Brow Boss. So, kung gusto nyo matry ang ating mascara at ang ating brow gel, magiging buy one, take one siya sa 3-3. That's the pasabog for 3-3.
Mauna ka pa sa memo.
So, ako na yung memo. I'm the memo. Brow Bestie is sold out. Sold out siya, guys. I'm okay. I'm just super tired today kasi ang dami naming meeting today. Color drip.
Para tayong nakasaw na dito.
Buksan mo kasi yung aircon.
Hindi, akyat na tayo eh.
Ako din, aakyat na ako. Last 5 minutes, aakyat na ako, guys.
Sayang kurente. Akyat na tayo.
Tama yung anda mo. In-update lang namin yung shade description pero di namin binago yung kulay. Spamming daw si Marie Chris. Ano ba sinabi mo, Marie Chris? Huwag ka mag-spam kasi. Ayun. Easy matte daw na brown shade. What to use para ma-maximize coverage ni First Base? Brush. Sponge for like a sheer coverage and then brush for a fuller coverage. Got my First Base po. Sulit pinag-ipunan. Anda is classified as cool now. Yes, correct. So we corrected our shade description so that they're more accurate based on the 20 shade roster that we have. Pa-picture kapag nakasabay kita mag-jogging. Of course. Go lang. Yung bagong color drip, hindi na to nagli-leak. As in, dinala ko siya sa Europe, yung 3 new shades. And bali-balibag sila sa bag ko and all. Hindi na sila nagli-leak kasi na-correct na namin sila.
Kapampangan yung bali-balibag.
Balibag? Kapampangan ba yun? Hindi ba Tagalog yun?
Tanong mo kung anong din yung balibag.
Anong Tagalog ng balibag?
Balentong.
Hindi, balentong yung Kapampangan tong eh.
Tumba-tumba.
Ihagis daw. Balibag. Hindi ba Tagalog ang balibag?
Hindi siya.
Any brush reco? Real Techniques is nice naman. Tagalog naman daw yung balibag.
Tagalog ba?
Kahit yung balentong Tagalog din daw yun.
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, balentong Tagalog.
Mini Nakpan restock next month. Next month siya. Naka-recover na ako sa jet lag ko, guys. So, 12 tulog na ako. Sometimes 1. And then, nagigising ako mga 8. Ganun. Saks lang naman yung tulog ko. Ano pong inspo ng scent ni Bonnie? Cherry siya, 'di ba? Cherry. It smells like cherry, guys. I'm sleepy. Akyat na ako, guys. Ang init dito. Bye! Ayan. Good night!
Pag-goodbye na din.
Pagod na ako. Bye!